Let's check out Brandy's shop. She's got Simply Styled Art. She's doing real good. An established seller here with 2,100 sales, and that's awesome. It's always nice to be a winner on Etsy, and I know how much work it takes. So let's see what we got here. We got some sea glass garland. Sea glass garland, sea glass decor, beach glass beads, handcrafted sea glass bead garland, glass bead garland. What is a garland exactly? I mean, it's one of those things I've heard of, but I don't really know exactly what a garland is, but I guess that's what that is. It's a garland. So it's like a little rope with some things on it. Let's see. Okay, very cute. So interesting. I like the decor. I mean, it's really cute. It looks nice. And then we got your shop there. So pictures are great. Look really nice. I love the staging. You've done a wonderful job with the staging, obviously. And it looks like the keywords are pretty on point. Let's just check out one of these keywords for this one. Over here, sea glass garland. So here we go, 462 results. So not necessarily a huge keyword. Usually I would like to find keywords with like 5,000 to 25,000 results. But you know, I see that you've used this one a few times. You've got a few different sea glass garlands. So it looks like it is helping you out. I mean, you're definitely getting some results with it. I just wonder if there's other keywords that might be more well known. However, this, I mean, for me personally, it's not a product I've heard of a whole lot. So me too. Okay, let's see. So what I always like to do is just kind of let's look up sea glass garland. One of the ways to find keywords as well is just to look at what other people are doing and see if anybody else is using different keywords. So I see glass beads. Let's try sea. You could also just try sea glass decoration, because there we go. We got 9,800. Now, it's not nearly as specific to your product, but it is still quite a few results. It's not nearly as many people searching for it. You know, it's not nearly as relevant. There is a lot of different stuff in here, but you know, I think it's a much bigger keyword. It's definitely one that you could try out, and you might already have it in there. So we've got sea glass decor. I see that's your number 2. Sea glass decor. That's a great one. 35,000 results. So a lot more search suggestions there. Look at this. What is that? Man, see, this is the thing about Etsy. You just see these things sometimes. It's like, where did they even come up with this? It's such an interesting way to style it on these little pieces of wood or something like that. So sea glass decor is a good one. A lot more searches. I almost think it might be a little bit better for you than the sea glass garland, because I don't know that so many people know that they can do sea glass garland. Now, we could also try sea glass beads, and that brings us a lot of results there. 44,000 results. And here, this product is real similar to yours. This is, you know, you have one really similar of African sea glass beads, approximately. They could also try different sizes, large sea glass. Let's see, beads, large sea glass beads. There we go. Large sea glass beads. That looks like a promising keyword right there, because that one has, you know, 2,500 results. So it's a little bit bigger, 2,500. So usually what I do is I just kind of save all these different keywords and get ideas. And you can even put the search results next to them, so you got an idea of like how many results are coming up for that one. So 2,583 large sea glass beads. That could be a really good keyword for you, because when I pull it up, I'm seeing a few different people with some suggestions, and they look just like yours. You know, they're roped up, they're roped together very similarly. But I think yours is a perfect fit for that keyword, and it is a bigger keyword right there. So that's kind of one way you can get creative with it. Just go out there and just kind of search around, look at what other people are using. When we pull up this one, we got 40 green aqua recycled glass beads, powder glass beads, cultured sea glass, you know, all these different keywords here. So maybe use that keyword first. Yeah, since you have quite a few of these items here, it looks like you have multiple of the sea glass garlands. What you could do is you could try out this new keyword right here, large sea glass beads. I'll pop it into the search results for you. You could try this keyword out on a few of your listings, and you could even take one of your good listings, right? So let's say like this one, it said like 5 people had it in the cart or something. This one right here, must be a winner product, I'm guessing, because it says 4 people have it in their cart. And I don't know if you have your sales viewable. You do? Okay, great. So yes, this one, you've got a sale on this one, you got a sale on that one. So what I would do is actually duplicate one of your best items. Yeah, Susan's got the idea. Do a bit of A/B testing. So take one of your winning products. These ones all kind of look almost like the same product, but maybe different photos. But find the listing that has the best photo, right? And you'll probably know, okay, which one sells a lot. And then go ahead and duplicate that listing. I've seen this one twice, this one 3 times. So that one looks like it's the popular one, this one right here. I would duplicate this listing, and then I would put that keyword, large sea glass beads, as the first one. And this is how I would recommend you do it, Brandy, is just go through Etsy and look, because we can see when we search this keyword right here, sea glass garland, we got 462 results. And then when we did large sea glass beads, we got 2,583. And that's a big step up. So I would keep looking around and trying to find better keywords, because that's what it comes down to for your products. You got to find the right keywords to really get some in the right keywords that are getting a lot of search results. And I think you've got a good keyword, a good product for that keyword. But yeah, your photos are really, really good. I love the photos. They look awesome. And you've got a really good amount of products too, which is so helpful. Guys, this is one of the things I cover on my mistakes workshop. Is I oftentimes see people with only 5, 6, 7 products. You just got to get more products out there to make more sales. So let's check out, what are my sections. So usually what I try to do with my sections is I try to make them keywords. And it looks like you've done that pretty well. We've got wood bead garland, sea glass decor, boho keychains, boho home accent decor, driftwood wall hanging. So yeah, these look strong. Hanging tassels, boho gift sets, boho wall hangings. Lots of little boho art, really good looking photos. I like the light colored theme you have on the photos. So yeah, definitely good there on these different sections you have. Overall, your shop just really agrees with itself, and it looks good. It has a nice aesthetic. Your shop is enjoyable to shop through. Camille says, I only have that many products. Uh-oh. Well, now you know, Camille. Yeah, the more products you have, it's just the more products you have, the more opportunities you have to appear in the search results, and the more opportunities you have to make sales. Think of every product like a little soldier or a little salesperson going out there to bring you some sales. So if you've only got 5, you only got 5 salespeople. If you got 100, you got 100 salespeople, and the person with 100 salespeople are going to do a little better. So just keep putting out there, putting products into your shop. The more you do, the better you'll be able to do, and the more you'll learn about it. So